So that's part of my life. So find yoga, which is, there are so many things that you can do. A basic Surya Namaskar, which is an amazing way to start your day. Start by 5 Surya Namaskars and keep, increasing, go to 10, 12, and so on and so forth. So try doing that every day. Really, really helps. A little bit of weights. I'm not talking about crazy heavyweight gym kind. Even trust me, sometimes even if you pick up 2 bottles and you just walk here, that's what I stick to.
What's one food people would be shocked to know that you love?
Actually, it is quite the Hyderabad special, which is biryani, which I love. And anybody who asks me will get the same answer. 365 days of the year. My love for biryani and Hyderabadi biryani. Believe it or not, every single time I come to the city and I go back, I pack biryani and I go back. My son always says that. He says, don't forget, bring it back. So it's something is like a standard and a staple.
Okay, lovely. So this, I think every single person here wants to know. If there
Please don't ask me if I'm getting married again.
Not at all. I think the men want to know that, is that? We don't want you to get married.
Better.
Yeah. So anyways, I think if there are 3 things that every single person in this room should follow for the rest of their lives, for the rest of their lives starting today, what are those 3 things according to you?
Very few changes in your life, which I think I follow. I think just being mindful. I actually find the power of manifestation, and it's very important to imbibe some sort of a hobby, whether it is whatever it may be, whether it's reading, whether it's singing, dancing, whatever it may be. It's very, very important to have that in your life because it cultivates good habits. Of course, I will talk about the need for wellness in terms of fitness. It's important because I think people get very lazy. They wake up in the morning and they say, oh no, not today. I had a late night, I ate too much, I'm very sleepy. Don't be lazy. Just make that little effort and be a little more mobile in terms of workout. It could be even 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, no more than that. But just start somewhere and I'm telling you it will go a long way in your life.
So you've been the face of fitness in India for many years right now.
Hello ma'am, my name is Abhishek.
Hi Abhishek, hi.
Yeah. So my question is,
Well, it is tough, let's be honest. But I feel you have to do everything in moderation. You can't be on 2 extreme sides of the spectrum. If you are being truthful to your diet or being careful, every once in a while if you crave something or you want to indulge, please do that. Don't deprive your body. Please don't do that because then you will have other complications. So if you feel like having that dessert or you want to have that extra helping, please do it. Don't deprive yourself, but it's important to follow a routine. And I would always tell everybody to ask me that, and I'm somebody who believes in routine. Sarvesh can also vouch for that. I'm the kind of person, I'll wake up at a particular time, I eat at a particular time, I sleep at a particular time. Can be tough when you're working, when you're traveling, but you should try and follow it as much as you can. It really helps.
okay ma'am, but can I have a request? Can I have a pic with you? Please ma'am.
Sure, come. Say, please, can I color my hair? But enjoy it. Yes, but I don't dye it. I still don't have grey hair, so I don't need to dye my hair. Thank God for that.
The last question. Last one.
My God, that is a tough question.
Or you are icon,
I mean, there are so many people I've looked up to in my years.
but still anyone to name?
See now, I like so many people, I've grown up on Malayalam films. My mom is a Malayali from Kerala, so I've grown up on a staple of Malayalam films. So I remember I used to really idolize Mohanlal and Mammootty back in the day.
So if you can't answer, then you need to have a selfie with me.
But my son, he is my most favorite.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.